Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another tutorial video. Today, we'll be diving into the realm of Windows 10 to show you how to manage your internet connection efficiently by enabling or disabling a metered connection. If you're using a Wi-Fi network with limited data, like a hotspot from your phone, this can be a handy feature to control your data usage. So, let's get started. First things first, ensure that you're connected to the network for which you want to enable or disable the metered connection. Once you're connected, head to the bottom left of your screen and right-click on the Start button. Now, navigate to Network Connections. After clicking on Network Connections, you'll see a list of your network connections. Find your Wi-Fi network, right-click on it, and select Properties. In the Properties window, scroll down until you find the metered connection option. Here it is. Simply toggle this switch to turn the metered connection on or off, depending on your preference. And that's it. Your computer will now use less data when connected to that specific network. Close the settings, and you're good to go. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to enable or disable a metered connection in Windows 10. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. For more Windows 10 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.